Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to save a photo you took in Snapchat. If you want to keep a copy of those memorable moments captured on Snapchat, this full guide is here to help. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Locate the Snapchat icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the main interface of Snapchat, look for the bottom drawer and tap on For You. This will open the camera screen where you can take the picture you want to save. Step 3. Once you've taken the picture, look for the Save button. Tap on it to access the save options. Step 4. In the save options, you'll see different choices. Tap on Save to Memories and Camera Roll to save the photo both in your Snapchat memories and your device's camera roll. By following these simple steps, you can easily save a photo you took in Snapchat and preserve those special moments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and tech guides. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you save your favorite Snapchat moments. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.